All right, today I have a Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon. I'm going to show you how to lay down the rear seats of this vehicle. All right, so I'm in the rear of the vehicle. You see I have it open right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to look to the sides right here. But before I look to the sides, you want to make sure that the headrests are down. And if you want to lay them down completely flat, you want to make sure that the front seats are pushed forward. All right, push forward as far as it possibly can go for it being comfortable for the driver and passenger in the front row. All right, so can you give me a thumbs up and subscribe for to my channel? Now let's go ahead and get with this. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to reach over here, and there's a handle right here, and I'm just going to pull this, and the seat goes forward like that. And the reason why I did not go all the way forward and lay down flat is because the front seats need to be scoot forward a little bit. So I have that one, and then I'm going to come to this right side, and I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing. Lift this lever and push it forward. And you see, this is what it looks like right here. It looks flat right there because the passenger front row seat is scooted forward a little bit, enough for that to lay down flat. Now, if I'm going to do it for the driver, this side, left side right here, I need to push forward the driver's seat. All right. So that's how you lay down the seats in a Mercedes G-Wagon. Hope this was helpful. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching.